way to drop. Oh, I never get here on my own. See the view from the top. Everything's a remix of everything that has been. Then let me just go back to my laptop, take a band on track that I cooked up. Baby, you'll hear Skrillex, some Natica, and some Imogen. Talk wagyu, but I'm trying to get back. It just seems fair. But trust the line between innovation and tried and true. Who's to say what's reiteration and what is new? Who decides what original means? Who aspires and who's the wannabes? Up on the shoulders of giants, I've got a long way to drop. Oh, I never get here on my own. See the view from the top. Up on the shoulders of giants, I've got a long way to drop. Oh, I never